Okay, so we're driving along on this Saturday afternoon. All these cars turning left, going into the mall. They're doing it before the light turns red, so they're good. So this last car gets it out of the intersection right before the light turns green, or a couple seconds before, so they're fine. All right, now I'm gonna proceed onward. I'm in the right lane because in a couple lights I have a right turn to an on-ramp to a parkway coming up. So this light I'm coming up to, I'm kind of weary foot hovering on the brake because this car yielding to turn right to join onto this lane, but they stay, so that's good. And then right here, this BMW does not stop. Doesn't even try to slow down at this stop to yield to me. I'm going straight through this green, and they just go right in front, right as I'm in the intersection. As I enter the intersection, they pull right in front. I'm thankful that they did not pull into my lane, so it's not as dumb, but it's still fairly dumb. And it's a BMW, so these BMW drivers, entitled, what do you expect? But thankfully, crisis averted. Gave them a little honk, but they don't care either way, I don't think. And I proceed onwards, but do not pull out without stopping, or just don't pull in front of someone when they're about to basically in the intersection.